welcome back to our channel Fabulous Food with Mom and Amy. Today I am making cornmeal porridge for Melina. She's having a sleepover with Amy, so I'm making her a surprise. So for the cornmeal porridge, I have 2 cups of hot water, 1 cup of cold water, half a cup of yellow cornmeal, 1 cup of milk, whole milk, 1 cinnamon, 2 cardamom, and I'll use like 2 teaspoons of honey.
That's a kick.
So I have the pot on here. So the stove is hot. Water is inside. 2 cups of water. So now I have the 1 cup of water here, cold water. I add it to the cornmeal. When you're making cornmeal, you just use cold water. Otherwise, it will form a lump. You don't want a lump in your cornmeal. So I will stir until the lump go away. Add more water. So half a cup of cornmeal. And I add a 1 cup of water here. See? Nice and loose. No lumps. So I'll add the cinnamon. 1 cinnamon. 2 cardamom. Very easy to make. Stirring. No lumps. And I'll add cornmeal slowly. Stirring so no lumps. So you have to keep stirring so it doesn't form lumps. Nice and colorful. I will let it cook. Then I'll add the milk and honey. Keep stirring, doesn't form no lump. The kids, they're having sleepover, so I'm making a surprise porridge for them. They love this porridge and it's healthy for all kids, really healthy. I'm adding the milk now. There it is, guys. 1 for Melina, 1 for Amy. Yellow cornmeal porridge. Looks really nice and it's really good. That's why the kids like it. That's it for our video. Make sure you like and subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time.